Thank you for joining me on exercise 1B. I'm going to be looking at question 9. And question 9 is find the value of each of the following series. So that we've got a series of 3, then we've got a negative 3, then we've got a negative 9, then we've got a negative 15. I'm just turning it into negatives here. Then we've got a negative 21, and we go all the way to negative 93. So dot, negative 93, or same as minus 93. Wow. So let's have a look at what we've got. We've got the first term is 3. We've got the nth term, which is negative 93. And we can work out the difference just by taking any term. So the second term, subtract the first term. So the second term is negative 3. Subtract the first term is 3. So the difference, you can see they're going down by 6 each time. So that's subtract 6. Each term is dropping by 6. And we want the sum. So there's two formulas we can use. There's n over 2, half of the number of terms, times the first term and the last term. Or there is a formula where if you don't know the last term, you could use n over 2, double the first term, 2 times the first term, plus n minus 1 d. And we get that simply by replacing un with the normal formula for the nth term. Well, both of these equations need an n value. So we need to know how many terms in our sequence, in our series. So what we will do is find n by using this nth term formula, and we can substitute. We know that the nth term is negative 93. We know that the first term is 3. We know, let's just change that to black. We don't know the nth term, but we do know the common difference is negative 6. All right, so let's work that out, and we would take negative 93, take that 3 across. So we've got negative 96. Take that negative 6 across to be divided by 6. So we've got 16. Take the minus 1 across to be plus 1. So we know, therefore, n is 17. And we can now use, let's go back to the first formula, and therefore our sum of 17 is, and we don't know n, the first term is 3, and the last term is negative 93. So therefore the sum of 17, which is, and we know n is 17, so we can replace that with 17. So let's work that out. That's 8.5 lots of negative 90s. And so if we just go positive times a negative is a negative, and 90 times 8 is about 720. So we're looking for a number about 720. 9 5s are 45. 9 8s are 72. 76. So the answer will be, the sum of that series is negative 765. I hope that's helped. Until next time, stay happy.